Our project has been consolidated since 2018 within the Campus Visia Lab program of the University of the Basque Country, and involves to establish inter-university relations, I mean relations between students, teaching staff, and administrative or service staff, and relations with other universities, and especially with the community. This project offers students on education degrees the opportunity to design, implement, and evaluate a solidarity service with the community to respond to a real social need and promote social justice. The project offers the opportunity to the students to be the protagonist of their learning process, and that learning process combines disciplinary knowledge, curricular content, and professional competencies, and critical reflections too. For this, we apply the service learning approach in final degree project. Each process is a challenge that requires an interdisciplinary, inclusive, and transformative perspective, and the services linked to the SDG 4, quality education, 5, gender equality, and 10, reduction of inequalities. The university teachers guide the students, activating the practical learning and reflection. We also analyze all the information to focus the research on the feedback of the teaching learning process.
Service learning consists of a binomial between academic learning and community service. The service must respond to a social need in the immediate context in order to seek the benefit of the community. It works on various specific, transversal, and generic skills, both cognitive and emotional, and promotes a set of values based on cultural responsibility and social justice. It is a powerful tool committed to active and critical social transformation. It is an experiential, autonomous, and practical application process. The direct relationship of students with reality fosters new meaning and functional knowledge. This contributes to developing attitudes of engagement to diversity and promoting social justice. The services offered by the project mainly address support for education, working in areas of knowledge such as inclusion, equity, gender, physical education, art, and digital resources. The specific competences sought to develop through the services are those included in the final degree project guide of the Faculty of Education and Sports of the University of the Basque Country. Structuring and implementing a service learning project requires that the stages are well defined and constantly monitored. The work is joint and feedback among groups is constant. In addition, we add a sixth structural phase that refers to the research linked to the pedagogical proposal, given that the analysis of the process itself allows us to obtain an evaluation of the educational practice in order to propose possible improvements. In our case, we work in harmony with teaching staff, students, and administrative service staff from the Faculty of Education and Sports. We also have links with the Faculty of Education, Philosophy of Anthropology. There are also synergies with the Onguizarte project of the Faculty of Labor Relations and Social Work of the university. On the other hand, the relationship with the community is evident, since the service learning methodology is a bridge between the university and society. The collaborating agents are usually educational centers and social entities. Teachers and students are collaborating agents, work jointly and cooperatively. The teaching staff in charge of structuring and leading the project show a transformative educational vision, social commitment, and willingness to establish other types of relationships with pupils and with the community agents. In other words, the involvement of the teaching team is real. It has a significant impact on the academic process and is an essential factor in guaranteeing the quality of the service.
In addition, the ideas given by the students and the voices of the collaborating agents are very important for us as feedback. For this reason, communication is continuous, close and fluid during all the project, and at the end of the process, students and collaborating agents evaluated the service and the experience. Then we complete all this information with the reflection of the university teachers to identify the next steps of the project. Finally, after the evaluation, we organize a celebration because it's important closing the project, take care of the relationships and recognize the work done. In the celebration, we share experiences and impressions with the students, collaborating agents and other faculties members.